Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to discuss about the iOS 17 that I just installed on my iPhone 12 here. I'm going to go to see that we actually are on iOS 17. So we go to about here, you can see iOS version is iOS 17. Now let's discuss about the things that they are new. And we're going to start with the new contacts. So here we're going to do a test. So create a new contact, test, just so you guys can see how the new design looks, right? So we go here, right? We go edit, add photo, you go to photos here, you select a photo, and now you can select, the normal one. And here it will be how you want. So you want emoji, you want like a text here, an emoji. If you want, you can put like this, or you can choose photo. And here you will be able to select which one you want for your contact when it calls. Let's select this one, and now you select continue. And now you select done, and here is the new design that you selected. Everything is working perfectly. Now when we're going to iMessenger, for example, you have here the new design. Then we got the stickers here, which I already have one sticker I created. So you have the emoji ones. So the application that you have installed here, they will appear with different stickers. For example, on eBay, it's happening on eBay. So how you can see, you have different files. On Etsy here you have different ones. This is the stickers from the emojis one. So this one is the normal ones. Now if you click on the emoji, it will open just the emoji, so you will close all the applications, so you have to click back. Now here is the Reddit one. So all the different things that you can have from stickers, but you can also create a sticker. So if you go to photos, and I'll go to this picture here, let me just, okay, this picture here, if I just drag it, I release it, and I will have add sticker. So how you can see, I have this one here, so I can add effect, and this one, they're not the best effects at the moment, so probably they will be added. It's only these four at the moment. How you can see, I can select this one, this is the little smoke, and this is like an animation one. So if I stay with the original one, for example, you can select me as a sticker, or whatever you select, you can create a sticker now, and you can send it as a sticker. So you have location, photos, camera, and then the store and whatever you want to install, etc. Other than that, I don't see too many things. So if I go to last screen, for example, and I select a new last screen, right? Then I don't see anything new rather than the full collection that we were having. So this is the Pride one, not a big fan of it. I prefer something like this. I really love when it comes to our planets and solar system. So you select, you customize the home. Literally there is nothing different, so all just color. How do you want it to look? Done. And once you open it, you have your typical. Now when it comes to widgets, I couldn't find any new widgets from Apple. So this one, I was expecting a little bit more, but I couldn't find nothing. But at the end of the day, it's the first release, so the first developer beta. I'm not expecting a lot. The only thing I see here, my YouTube widget, which is this application over here, it's broken. The widget is broken, so there's nothing I can do about it. Other than that, there is nothing new, to be fair. Still Phone was perfect. There is nothing new for the, let's see if this works. Nothing new for the iPhone 12, at least not at the moment. So can I use this as a sticker? Probably not from the camera app. Let me see if I can go. Okay. So look here, for example, the picture is made in half. So I don't understand what's the deal there. So here, I got a notification that I posted. That's pretty awesome. So yeah, I can make a sticker, add effect, add some effect in cartoon. Yeah, so at the moment there is nothing new except for this thing over here, which if I do try to call, how you can see it will appear, you know, on the big screen. Everything is perfect. To be fair, I really like this design. It's really beautiful. Like, it's really beautiful. Respect to Apple for this one. Probably the best one that they made. But yeah, rather than that, there's nothing new. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you do like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.